Welcome to Alberami, nature-based carbon removal solutions, partnering with Italian farmers for a sustainable future. Through regenerative farming and agroforestry, Alberami enhances carbon sequestration on sustainably managed land, naturally capturing CO from the atmosphere. We meticulously measure this natural process, converting it into high-integrity, certified carbon credits. A transparent solution for businesses to offset emissions and achieve sustainability goals, supporting local agriculture. Partner with Alberami and our network of farmers to invest in tangible climate action. Our nature-based carbon credits enhance your sustainability profile and drive positive environmental and agricultural change. Explore collaboration at alberami.com. Join us and our farmers in cultivating a sustainable future. Become a partner for positive change.